So I've decided that our message of the day today is going to be, we are going to play host. And I want to show you what a host does. When you go into a restaurant, sometimes you see a sign like this one that says, "Welcome. Please wait to be seated." That means you can't just go sit wherever you want. The host is going to take you and show you which table that they want you to sit at. Usually, the host may have menus in her hand. He or she are holding like this, or the menus might be laying down. And then they ask you a question. They say, how many people are going to be eating with us today? And maybe you say 2. There's 2 of us. There's me, and then there's my grandpa. We're going to come in here and eat today. There's 2 people. So the hostess or the host gets 2 menus. And then she says, okay, come with me, please. And then she would walk you to the place you're supposed to sit, holding the menus, probably some silverware. Let me fix this so you can see it. There you go. And she says, here you go. Is this seat okay? And she puts down the menus. And then maybe you sit in this chair. And maybe your grandpa sits over there. And she says, someone will be right with you to take your order. Because the host doesn't take your order. She doesn't ask you what you want to eat. That's the server, or what we call waiter or a waitress. So today we are going to play host. I want you guys to be able to take some time today and pretend that you are the host at the restaurant and that you have the menus and you are inviting people in and telling them where to sit and walk them over to their seat. So, first thing, what do? Sprig bean. We are going to play host. So I'll need 6 lines on the bottom. So I'm going to draw a picture of, here's my host. And this host has some menus. Can you see that? And then maybe the people that are going to go sit down are walking behind her. Maybe this one has a purse. Over here, it's going to be a table where they can sit. Okay, put that up there so you can see it better. So these people said, hey, let's go out to eat. And they went to a restaurant. When they walked in, the host said, hi, how many of you are eating today? How many? And they say 2. So she gets 2 menus, and she walks over to the table and puts it down so they can look at the menu and know what they want to eat. Let's go ahead and do our 6 lines. We are going to play host, period. Guys, when you're coming for your testing, one of the questions I have to ask you is, what does that dot mean at the end? What does it mean? It means stop. Even if it's up here, it means stop, or if it's in the book at the end of a sentence, it means stop. We are going to play host. We are going to play host. All right, so maybe, hopefully you've made some play menus and you can use those when you're being the host today, okay? All right, have fun with that. I'd love to see some pictures of that. Bye-bye.